Here's the 5000 BTU Coronado air conditioner with the Copeland reciprocating compressor. It is a Coronado Duchess 50, and this is made by Admiral. It's got a vent that spins around so you can direct the airflow where you want. Pulls air in on this side, blows it out on this side. Here's the controls. 2-speed fan motor. I did take the motor apart in this and oil it, but it's going to have to be taken apart again because it's missing some thrust washers. They kind of deteriorated and broke, and I want to oil it again. I do plan on using this, I'm thinking, in the dining room this coming summer, so I'll have to do that. And I have to replace one of the screws on this window bar. So this one pulls air in through the outside of the condenser coil and blows it out this side vent and the vent that's next to the condenser coil. So it's a pretty unique unit. I'm going to start it up on high speed. The compressor's probably not going to start right now. Just see how many amps the fan draws. That's high speed, let's go to low. And yeah, this has a shaded pull fan motor, that's why the power factor is so low. Alright, I'm going to start the heater up so we can get the compressor to start. I took the front panel off just so you could see the evaporator coil and the information sticker. Hang on a second. Alright, this is rated at 7.5 amps. Looks like 810 watts. Kind of hard to read some of this stuff. You'll notice that it says 60 cycle rather than 60 hertz, so maybe will give some people a clue as to what year this is from, because I'm not exactly sure. Time to start the compressor. I just heard the thermostat click. This compressor is kind of rough running. At first it vibrates a lot, but it smooths out. So here we go. That's vibrating right now. Now it's getting smoother. Been running for a few minutes. That's our air output temperature and amperage, wattage. Air coming out of here is nice and warm. I turned the heater off. I don't think it needs to be on anymore. We're at 6.78 amps. It's been running for probably about 20 minutes now. 716 watts. And this stupid thing keeps falling out, so I'm not getting an accurate temperature reading, but I'm going to try and get it to stay in there. About 44 degrees right now. I think this is about as high as it's going to get on low. Let's go up to high. straightened out most of the fins on the condenser coil, so it's looking a lot better now. I also just finished taking this thing apart and oiling the motor. Again, I didn't have to add any washers, but it's nice and quiet now. It doesn't have that annoying bearing noise on low speed anymore. So I'm just going to start the fan up on low. There's high. But it's nice and smooth now.